In this video, we're going to see how to use Zapier to trigger a flow on TextIt when there are changes to our Google Sheet. So we've already seen how to use TextIt flows to trigger changes to the sheet, and now we're going to see the opposite. First, we need to make sure we have our sheet set up. Okay, I'm going to use the same sheet that we used in the previous video. Next, go into the Flow Builder and build the flow that you want triggered when there's changes to your Google Sheet. I've created a simple messaging flow. Let's check out this first message. I wrote, "Hi, there's been a new contact added to your sheet. The new contact is," here, I've referenced my column name from my Google Sheet. I've used @trigger.params.name. Name is the name of the first column. I've done the same with age and gender, the names of my second and third column. When we test our flow after the Zapier setup, we can see exactly how this appears for our contact. Click OK. You're welcome to create a more complex flow, but for this example, I've decided to keep just a simple message. We're going to go into our Zapier account. We're going to go ahead and create a new Zap. Last time we chose TextIt as the trigger, but this time we are going to choose Google Sheets because we want changes on the sheet to trigger events in TextIt. Okay, I'll choose my trigger event. New or updated spreadsheet row, I'm going to choose that. Make sure you're logged into your correct Google account. Click Continue. Go ahead and choose your spreadsheet. I'm going to choose my same spreadsheet as the last time. Worksheet is almost always sheet 1. Trigger column. That means that a change to any of these columns will trigger our flow. Since the first thing that we're collecting is name, we're going to choose name to trigger our flow. Click Continue. Now we need to test our trigger. Click Test. Okay, it has pulled the records from our spreadsheet. Let's make sure those match. Okay, we've got Sally Sue, age 25. Yep, it matches our spreadsheet. Okay, so we'll click Continue with the record. Now we're going to choose an event. We want to trigger a flow in TextIt. Action, start a flow, account, choose your correct TextIt account or log in if you're not logged in yet. Click Continue. We're going to choose our flow. Okay. This is the name of my flow that I have set up. Under Extra, we're going to go ahead and add our column names. First, we have name. Next, we have age. And last, we had gender. Now that this is configured, we need to choose who's going to receive this flow. I'm going to go ahead and choose a group that I created in TextIt. So if I click here, all my TextIt groups should pop up. I created a group called Zapier Updates. Click there. Anyone who is in this group, Zapier Updates, is going to receive the message from our flow whenever there is a new or updated spreadsheet row on our Google Sheet. All right, I'll go ahead and click Continue. Let's go ahead and test that. Let's open Telegram so we can see if our test worked. It looks like the first message from our flow was triggered and our Zap is working. Okay, now we can go ahead and click Publish. If you have any questions about setting up TextIt in Zapier, please feel free to reach out to us on the chat widget. We're always here to support.